Hello dear students, very good morning to you all once again. Welcome to the second lecture on operators supported by C language. In the last class I taught you what is an operator. What is an operator? Operator can be defined as a symbol. Operator can be defined as a symbol and that tells about the operation to be performed with operands. That is what we call an operator. We studied. We cannot write expressions without operators. C language is very rich, not in terms of supporting money. C language is very rich in terms of supporting different mathematical operators, so that you can write mathematical expressions. Mathematical expressions helps us to get the desired result. Yes or no? To process the raw data to get desired results, we write mathematical expression. Okay, I start. C language supports many operators, but we restrict our study for 8 types of operators. First I teach you arithmetical operators, then I teach you relational, then logical, increment and decrement, conditional, assignment, bitwise, special operators. Arithmetical operators to perform arithmetical calculations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, mod, we use these operators. And to find the relationship between two values, we use the relational operators: less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, equality, not equals to, logical and to combine, logical or to combine, logical not to change the state from true to false or false to true, increment or decrement the variable by 1 to check the condition, two-way decision making statement, assignment operator, we assign the value, shorthand assignment operators, plus equals to, minus equals to, into equals to, divided by equals to. Then to work with low level data, we use bitwise operators. Bit means binary digit, bitwise operators, bitwise sign, bitwise or, bitwise exclusive or, bitwise not, bitwise left shift, bitwise right shift. I teach you all, very important. Special operators I teach at the end, comma and size of. Okay, I start with the first one, arithmetical operators. As we know already, plus minus are arithmetical operators. Not only plus and minus, multiplication, division, modulus, 10 into 2 20, 10 by 2 5, 10 mod 2 0, 10 plus 2 12, 10 minus 2 8, 10 minus 2 8 is fine, 10 plus 2 12 is fine, 10 into 2 is 20 is fine. Divided by will give us the quotient. It returns quotient after division operation. Both are integer. 2 5s are 10, 5 is the quotient. Division operator will give us the quotient. 10 divided by 2, 2 5s are 10, remainder is 0. Modulus returns remainder after which operation? After division operation. Okay, these are binary operators. Binary means what? 2. We use these operators with 2 operands, so we call binary operators. Arithmetical operators are also called as binary operators because they need minimum 2 operands. That's all. The arithmetical operators help to find addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus of 2 values. But 2 new things for you now. What is that? Precedence and associativity. In exam you find what is precedence, what is an associativity of an operator, explain with examples. Now I explain this topic. First I explain you what is precedence, afterwards I teach you what is an associativity. Look at the values first. Multiplication, division, mod are having same value, 1 1 1. Associativity is left to right. That next one, plus and minus are having second priority, 2 2. Assume that one arithmetical expression is there. First we need to perform these operations. Which one will come at the left side first? Afterwards we need to perform these. Exactly what is precedence, what is associativity. I explain with one kahani, one story, one analogy example I give you. One story I explain so that you can understand about precedence and associativity. Yours family, this is yours family. Assume in yours family grandpa is there, then grandma, grandpa and grandma. Okay, they are very senior most, elder, okay, oldest. Their priority is one. Next, dad and mom will be there. Their priority is two. Then elder brother and sister you have, assume. Then that their precedence is 3. Then yourself you come, yourself, and your priority is 4. And one more Chotu is there present, and Chotu's priority is 5. Okay, and this is what we call priority, hierarchy. Priority means what? Hierarchy, hierarchy, hierarchy. Okay, precedence means hierarchy, or precedence means priority value. This is what we call priorities. In our family the priority is like this. And let us assume today your results are announced by university. You are the first rank to the VTU Belgaum. If you are first rank to the VTU Belgaum, then we purchase sweets, peda, Chotulal peda we purchase, Chotulal peda. Then we enter the house. We enter the house. To whom you give the sweets first? To whom you give the sweets first? First we give the sweets to grandpa and grandma. Then we give the sweets to dad and mom. Then we give to elder brother and sister. Then I eat myself. Then last I give to the Chotu. I hope you understood. Like this we follow. Like this only machine will follow. But one more confusion. You entered the house and grandpa and grandma standing. Both are standing. To whom you give first? To whom? Again you have to follow one rule there. Who is standing at the left side first? You have to follow left to right associativity. You have to follow left to right. And dad and mom both are standing. To whom you give first? Who is standing at the left side first? Assume that mom is standing left, dad is standing at the right side. Then first give to mom, then give to dad. If dad is standing at the left side, give to dad first. Brother and sister, left to right. Yourself, eat. Chotu, give to him, he eats. Okay. Some operators are having left to right, some operators are having right to left. I explain you shortly. And I hope you understood now what is associativity and what is precedence. This is what associativity rule, left to right or right to left. At what time we follow left to right or right to left? If all are having same precedence value. If those operators are having same precedence value, then we follow associativity rule. Okay. If operators are not having same priority, then we won't follow associativity rule. I hope because of this story I think you understood what is precedence and associativity, and map this story with this topic. Definitely you are able to answer the question. What is precedence of operator? It can be defined as a value. Not only value, it can be defined as a priority value. It can be defined as a priority value. It tells to a computer system to evaluate an expression. In which order? It tells about the order of an evaluation. This can be called as a precedence or hierarchy value. It can be called as precedence value or hierarchy value of that operator. And already you learnt in your HSC. In high school you learned BODMAS, no? Similar to that, not only similar to that, similar topic. First we evaluate brackets, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition and subtraction. We need to evaluate expressions from brackets first, then off, then division, then multiplication. This is what an precedence you can say. Similarly, while solving arithmetical expressions, the computer system evaluates first multiplication, division and modulus because these are having first priority. Afterwards addition and subtraction. All the three are having same. Which one comes at the left side first? That one. Don't think like that, always multiplication first. If division is at the left side, solve it. If modulus is at the left side, solve it. Because all the three are having same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction are having second priority. No. Don't think like that, always addition first, then subtraction second. No. Which one is left side first? That one you have to evaluate. Because associativity is left to right. This is what all about precedence and associativity. I hope you have understood. Thank you. Then what is an associativity of an operator? This can be defined as an order to evaluate the expression. It is an order in which the operators are having the same. If the operators are having same value, precedence value, like 1 or 2 or 3, then this rule says to evaluate it from left to right or right to left to a computer system. If 2 or more operators are having the same precedence value and they are adjacent to each other, then machine will make the use of associativity rule. At what time computer system will make the use of associativity rule? If 2 or more operators are having same precedence value. Then we evaluate it from left to right or right to left. That's all. And give examples after writing the answer for the question, what is precedence and what is operator. Don't forget to give examples. 2 into 10 divided by 2 mod 5. All the three are having same priority. Multiplication, division and mod are having same priority. Then we follow left to right. We as well as machine. First 2 into 10, 20, remaining as it is. Next divided by 2 tens are 20, 10 as it is remaining. 10 mod 5, 0. Like this machine evaluates. 10 minus 5 plus 2 minus 4 plus 4. Plus and minus are having same priority value, that is 2. Then the machine follows left to right associativity. 5 plus 2, 7, remaining as it is. 7 minus 4, 3, remaining as it is. 3 minus 4, 1. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Like this machine works. Interesting example. In arithmetical expression, multiplication, division, modulus are having same priority value. We need to evaluate them from left to right. Which comes first at the left side? That one we need to evaluate first. 8 divided by 4 into 16. Both are having same precedence value. Left to right we have to follow. These values and these values both are same. Only the place of operators are varied. Into first divided by afterwards. Divided by first into second. See the results. Results are different. That's why we need to be very careful. That's why we need to use brackets. Which one you want to evaluate first, put in bracket. That's why in computer programming lab, if you forget to make the use of brackets, you might have got wrong results. Next, first 8 by 4, 2, remaining as it is, 2 16 to 32. First multiplication, because left to right associativity to follow. 8 4s are 32, divided by 16, 2, different results. Left to right we followed because of same priority value. Evaluate it. Evaluate the following expression. Okay. In the next class, I explain these two examples. Don't forget to see the next video. Please watch my video once again slowly so that you can get the confidence on you. Inform your other friends to watch it. And if you are subscribed, it is well and good. Otherwise, please subscribe my channel. You find very interesting and knowledgeable videos. Thank you. If any doubts, please contact me. Send email to my email address cs.kusur@gmail.com, or you can send WhatsApp message 973-9762682. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.